everybody, my name is Jessie and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So there we go. Hi, so today we're going to do an unboxing. I'm so excited. Yay! I've been waiting okay, I ordered it on Wednesday, so I had to wait the whole weekend. So today is, Tuesday, so we're going to unbox it. I'm excited. Okay, ready? Let's go. Welcome to my channel. So I love makeup, I love skincare, and I love, mental health and anything that's woman pro women. I love anything pro women, but today we're doing an unboxing, so I'm kind of excited. All of this is from Ulta, so I paid for all this by myself, so it's not a big haul, but still it's a pricey haul. So here we go. As you can see, I have no makeup on my face right now because I want to play with all this stuff. So, welcome to my skin. I know. Anyways, so okay, first off, I am not a person that really cares about the newest release. That's just not me. I go for something because I love the colors in it. So, first off, my most favorite excited purchase is this Nikita X Morph palette. Do you know why? Because the colors are stunning. It has such a good color story, and come on, that's the box on the outside. Like, beat that. Show me any box that's prettier than that. And then, okay, besides the fact that this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh my God. Doesn't this inspire you? This inspires me to do, I don't even know. I'm gonna get a tutorial and I'm gonna try to make a look that is worthy of this box. This box alone is, God. Okay, so are you ready? I'm sure you guys have seen this, but ooh, that color. So I got this because of my hair color, and because the colors are freaking amazing. So I am so excited. I'm so excited. So I know some people don't support Morph. It should be called a Morphe. It should be called Morph though, because like a metamorphosis. So whoever named them, whatever. Anyways, so like I said, I got this for my color of my hair and the colors on this box. So to the eyeshadow gods. So I'm still just, I love this. So I would like to just say that I bought all this. Well, technically my amazing boyfriend bought all this because he is amazing. I wish I could like take you in my life and show you how amazing he is. That's what a camera's for. Okay, so one day I might show you how amazing my boyfriend is because he is the funniest guy alive. He's so handsome. He is the love of my life and I'm so grateful for him. So that's just, Christian, I love you. So anyways, okay, so what else did I buy? Okay, so I wanted to try out this e.l.f. just brush shampoo because it was really inexpensive, but it had some good reviews. So I'm just trying it out. I figured why not. So that's a good one. Ooh, okay, brushes. So okay, the Morphe brushes, Morphe brushes, people hate most of the time. So BH Cosmetics supposedly had amazing brushes and reviews, and I just wrote the box. I don't care. And it came with a bag. So cute little bag, and some brushes. I mean, I really mainly did it for the eye brushes. I love these little short stubby ones. And so I just needed some new brushes. And the bag coming with it was a plus. You can tell it's kind of cheaply made. I mean, it's only like 30 bucks maybe, but I'm excited to see how they are. And that means that I can give my old brushes that are just crappy and whatever, I'm gonna wash them and give them to my stepdaughter Gina, who's 12, who is enjoying learning and discovering makeup. So she will really love these. And they come in a case, so she's kind of messy. She's 12, what can you expect? Perfect for her. Okay, so what else did I buy? Ooh, I bought a Kiko Milano sculpting thingy. You guys must love my descriptions. If anybody is watching this, they say just make a lot of videos and you get better in time. I don't think I'm getting better. So, it's just kind of like a light color, which I'm very fair-skinned. So we're gonna try that out. Okay, I got 2 more things. So my eyebrows are horrible. I was born in, anyways, I'm not gonna tell you when I was born. I am, okay, whatever, I'm 35, and in the early 2000s, our eyebrows were supposed to be as thin as possible. Like when I say thin, they were supposed to be thin. So, my hairs don't really grow here. Like, I get the hairs down here that I have to pluck, but they won't grow to be thick. So, I hate, I hate eyebrow pencils. They all suck. So, this inexpensive but highly recommended is just one of those really fine tip brow marker type things. So the back, it says instantly snatch brows in a pen. That's so funny when Nyx is saying snatched. So I got ash brown, and I really am curious. God, I am just ruining these boxes today. This is when you just rip stuff. Because I do, jeez, I do. Okay, it comes like that. Oh, I'm intrigued. They do really look hair-like. You may not be able to see it because my hand sucks, but okay, Nyx, I see what you're doing. And my last thing is just a simple, bear with me, it's one of those gimmick cannabis sativa seed oil lip moisturizers. But my lips, I try to take such good care of my skin, like such good care of my skin. And my lips are so dry. They are like, forget having like dry skin, I have dry lips. So I am putting this bad boy on right now. So we are just going to, I hope this works. I know it's not gonna work overnight or instantly. It doesn't have a smell. It kind of smells like cheap lip stuff. Kinda, I don't know. It feels very nice. But you know what? This is, I have a lot of lip oils. This feels really nice. Okay, I can do that. So my favorite thing obviously was this. I'm so excited. So I am going to play with it. So I'm gonna go find a great tutorial, a great makeup look, and I'm going to then film and show you, because I am a complete novice. I can do basic makeup, like I can look presentable, but like the stuff that you see like Robert Welsh and like Raw Beauty Christie, I can't do that, but I'm going to try. So come on this journey with me. That was out of tune on purpose. That was, no, I'm serious. Like, just come and we're gonna, yeah. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe down below and like it maybe. And I'm Jessie, your YouTube, and I will see you later. Bye.